Hello there, how are you? I'm Afreen and welcome to this channel. So, guys, like iron and calcium deficiency in India, protein deficiency is also common, and the reason behind that is our eating habit. We all Indians are totally rely on wheat and rice in terms of lunch, dinner, and breakfast, so we forget about protein. After age of 20 we need protein, 25% of protein in daily basis. So today in this video I'm going to share with you guys some science which shows that do you have protein deficiency or not. If you want to know that are you fit or are you have protein deficiency, then watch this video, and after watching this video you can relate yourself with this video, then you are not having enough protein in your diet. So without wasting any time, just begin this video with signs of protein deficiency. But before I start the actual video, I must want to share 2 points which is related to protein deficiency. After listening those 2 points, you will easily relate yourself and you will easily understand the sign of protein deficiency. So listen carefully, understand carefully, because protein is essential for your. So first point is, if you have enough protein in your body, like if you having enough protein every day in your life, so your brain knows that your stomach is satisfied, so you will not reach out to the junk or fatty and sugary food. So that is how protein works for weight loss. This is my first point. I hope you understand. So my number 2 point is, protein works as a repair and builder for your body, so that you will be energetic throughout the day. In fact, because of protein, as much as you use your energy, it becomes double and double. So I hope this 2 point you can understand easily, and I have lots of point which I can tell you which you can understand, but I thought these two are really relatable for everybody. So now I will tell you the sign of protein deficiency, and I hope you all can understand it easily. I try to make this video as easy as possible, because if you will see outside, all professional can also tell you, but it is not easy to understand by ordinary person. So I try to make this video as easy as I can. So yes, I have to start this video now. First sign is, your skin feel dry and flaky. You are hungry an hour after eating. You feel tired all the time. You facing hair fall. You are losing weight, but it not seems, because you are losing muscles, not fat. You will see mood swings more often. You are always bloated, and you are taking more sick days. You are constantly craving sugar and fat and carbs. You feel pain in muscles, bones and joints, especially in morning. The last one is low immunity. So guys, these all are signs of protein deficiency in our general life, in our normal life, especially women in India. We are doing work since morning to night. Our work is not going to be end, and we thought if we feel these kind of problem, whatever I said in this video, sign of protein deficiency, if we feel that, what we thought is we are doing work, that's why we feel tired, that's why we are feeling all these things. We never thought like this, that maybe we have protein deficiency, maybe we have iron deficiency, maybe we have calcium deficiency. So guys, it is really important, especially for women, to look after what you are eating. If you are connect yourself with this video, then please look after your diet, because nobody is going to help you. You are the only one who can help yourself. So if you are somebody who do relate yourself with this video, then please increase intake of protein. And yes, of course, I'm going to help you in this problem. so in my next video. So wait for this video. I will tell you in my next video what you should eat in your lunch and in your breakfast and dinner, so you can include 25% of protein every day in your life. I hope you like this video and you enjoy this video. This video is helpful for you. So yes, if you like this, then please, you know what you have to do, and do subscribe my channel, and please share this video, because I want you share this video to every woman out there. So yes, I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.